Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean. Today we're making fucking fermented garlic honey. This shit is so good. I mean, it's like... Anyway, you want to buy a shit ton of garlic and peel the shit out of it. I mean, like fucking spend all day peeling this shit. You're going to want to cut those little anuses off the top. And you're going to want to smash this shit. Like, not a smack upside the head, but like a prison yard beat down, so they'll release their garlic hormones. Could do it like this too if you're a dumbass, but it takes forever, so don't fucking do that. Put that shit in a bowl and then like, and then you're still not fucking done. There's still paper in there. So anyway, keep peeling that shit. And that stress hormone, you want to stress that garlic out. That's the good shit. It's like adrenaline, garlic adrenaline, or jizz, or let's just call it garlic jizz. I like that. So anyway, I didn't buy enough, fuckers, so I had to go to the store and buy more. I just bought the pre-peeled shit this time. Fuck it. And so that's what I did. You may be wondering where I live. I live in the fucking North Pole. Don't worry about where the fuck I live. This is about compost. I mean, garlic. Well, you're still not done, fuckers. You still gotta cut those little buttholes off. You still gotta give it a prison yard beat down. One spoonful a day will fucking keep everyone away. Your breath is gonna smell like shit. Oh my god. But it's amazing. You might be wondering why I cuss so much. The reason is fuck you. So anyway, I didn't do enough again. God damn it. So those are those little garlic anuses I was telling you about. So third time's a charm. Look, you're going to need raw honey. Raw honey has the bugs in it. Nothing else will work. This one has a poem on the back. I wrote my own poem. It goes, roses are red, garlic tastes good, shut the fuck up. So anyway, this is what you want to do. Smush this shit around. Don't forget this shit like I almost did. And put that in there. There's a bunch of air bubbles in. The first batch I made, was just small, so it was no big deal. But this, I really had to mush it around for the air bubbles. Eventually, like tomorrow, this shit will be liquidy. All the garlic jizz will liquefy the honey, and it'll be fine. Make sure you burp this once a day and flip it over, or you're going to blow that shit up. So don't be stupid. Anyway, so there you go. You do that, put your little seal on, seal that bitch up, and boom, you got a little jar of honey and garlic to snuggle with. And fuck, it's fucking honey in my goddamn beard, cocksucker. Fucking bullshit honey. Anyway, tomorrow's episode, how to get fucking honey out of your beard.